okay, Chris? Are you okay?
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay.
What are you having for tea tonight?
I don't know. Roast probably. You?
Sandwich.
Oh, okay.
You're right.
Yeah, it's not coming on.
Need more weight.
Yeah, do you want to...
Right, now Matt's not heavy on his own, so I'm going to go and give him a hand.